Are you looking to switch up your usual paneer game without loading up on oil? Then you need to make this incredibly easy curry full of bold color and bold flavor. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a delicious paneer dish which uses just 1 tablespoon of oil and a secret ingredient that gives it a stunning color. It's simple, wholesome and sure to impress. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's dive right in. We'll start by boiling tomatoes, onions and beetroot until they're soft and tender. This will form the base of our creamy spiced gravy. Once the veggies are done boiling, use the liquid to soak a few cashews along with some spices to soften and release their flavor. Once your veggies have cooled down a little bit, blend them into a smooth puree with ginger, garlic and a few cilantro stems for that extra pop of freshness. Cut your paneer into thick cubes or triangles however you like them and toss them in some turmeric, chili powder and garam masala. Give them a quick pan sear until they get slightly charred and add some salt. Now heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan, add in a bay leaf and pour in that gorgeous gravy base along with some more spices and let it simmer down. You want it thick, luscious and packed with flavor. Add in a splash of water or milk to get the consistency just right and don't forget to taste and adjust with a little salt. If it's too tangy, add a pinch of sugar to balance it out beautifully. Now to finish, spoon that rich gravy into your serving dish and top it with the golden paneer. Serve it hot with naan, roti or rice and just wait for the compliments to roll in. If you try this, don't forget to subscribe and like and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.